Hello friends, in this video we are going to start a new topic that is called as genetics. In this we'll talk about 73.1 chromosomes. So coming to a brief introduction of a chromosome. So chromosome is that structure as we know is packed inside the DNA, right? So this chromosome in turn is packed inside the cell's nucleus. Okay, now let us see with the structure of a chromosome. So here we have to understand what is the general structure of a chromosome along with what are the types of chromosomes which we can see here. Now, coming to the structure of a chromosome, we have an arm. Yes, we have a long arm, a short arm. The short arm is having the satellite bodies and we have the centromere. So centromere is basically where we are going to observe the properties like polymorphism, or we can say mosaic or chimera. Those kinds of properties will be seen, and I will tell those properties little later. But first, this is the main structure of the chromosome. The centromere is also called as kinetochore. Here we have the primary and here the secondary constriction. This is also called the chromatids. Now, what are the types of chromosomes? I'll give you a simple mnemonic to remember. MSAT, M-S-A-T, as in metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. So in metacentric, the arms are equal. Yeah, equal arms. Submetacentric, they're unequal. See, the long arm is little longer and the short arm is the same. In acrocentric, the short arm is very short and the long arm is very long. And in telocentric, there is no short arm. Please remember, telocentric chromosome does not have a short arm. So in summary, we have four kinds of chromosomes: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. Along with that, we have the general structure of chromosome where we have a short arm, the long arm, the satellite bodies along with the centromere. Please remember, every chromosome will have the centromere and it will definitely change in position when the development is occurring. So that brings us to the end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.